I'll guide you through how to create RedotPay account. If you find this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin, open your App Store if you're using an iPhone, or the Play Store if you're on an Android device, and type RedotPay into the search bar. Once you find the app, tap Download or Install and wait for it to finish downloading. After it's installed, open the application. When you launch RedotPay for the first time, you'll see several greeting slides introducing you to the app's features. Simply tap the Next button as many times as needed until you reach the end of the slides, and then tap Sign Up. Next, enter your email address into the form provided and tap Next. Shortly after, you'll receive a 6-digit verification code in your email inbox. Enter that code into the app when prompted. Once your email is verified, you'll be asked to create a secure password and tap Sign Up again. Finally, complete your account setup by verifying your identity with your mobile phone number. And that's it. Your RedotPay account is now ready, and you can begin exploring all its great features.